Hey, welcome back to Neater Nest. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to show you how I made this rustic barnwood feature wall. After living here for 10 years, it was about time we gave our bedroom a makeover. In our last video, you saw us do this 3-panel wall, and that was a lot of fun. But this barnwood wall is so cool, and what I love about it is the horizontal lines. It really makes the room feel wider than it is. Doing a barnwood wall might be one of the easiest DIYs you can do. There are so many great products out there for the novice beginner all the way up to an expert carpenter, and they all look amazing. So let's watch how easy this thing came together. I started by painting the wall a dark color, and I did that so that the gaps and the cracks between the boards don't show through. I checked for level in the ceiling, and it turns out I have a pretty square wall, which was great. So I ended up starting at the bottom and working my way up. But if you're new at this, I would recommend starting at the top and working your way down, especially if you don't have a table saw or you're not comfortable scribing wood to fit the ceiling. Once you get a couple rows in and they're level, you just keep staggering the wood as you go up and keep checking for level and adjust as necessary. Taking each piece of wood all the way out to the garage, down 2 flights of stairs, is a drag. So I set up my own cutting station on the roof outside the bedroom window.
I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna build a home. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna build a home. Work hard all day, stone by stone, for the night to come. There's no sleep like that of tired bones. And rub my hands and whisper to me about tomorrow, about the kids and the house, and how we don't have much, but it's enough. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. I'm in love with a woman, she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build.
So when I got to the top, I only had a few pieces of wood left, and I didn't have much to spare. But I ended up cutting down the last row to fit, and I just had to scribe one corner around the trim. I added this little surprise on the last piece. Well, I'm done with the barnwood wall. It took me a couple days, but it was super fun, and I think it turned out amazing. It's one of those things you just want to stand there and stare at it. It's super cool. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and you'll get updates and stuff on when we do more projects like this. So see you later. If you get inspired by home improvement and DIY projects like I do, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep making more great videos like this.